Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you what are the messages your divine masculine wants to say, okay, to the divine feminines, the DM to the DF, who are not in contact with each other, who are in a twin flame journey. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, because this is the general collective energies and the reading and the messages which I get for you. So it is not going to resonate with each of you, but I will try my level best that whatever messages I am getting for you, I will deliver to you here. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine. In this video I'm going to tell you the messages, their next action, what are the blockages, what are the doubts of the divine masculines are having, then what are the things you need to surrender, what is your soul lesson, and many more things. Okay, what are the messages from the twin flame journey, okay, what are the messages from the universe, and many more things, and the signs which you may be dealing with. I hope it help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So now let's start your reading and let's see what does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine, DM to the DF. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? You are the only one I wanna be with. And very clearly I was doing the Aquarius reading, today's Aquarius reading. You can have a look on that too if you are an Aquarius, and the same message I was getting, that you are the only one. Okay, no one other compares to you. This was the only message which I was getting there, and it is the same message here too. You are the only one I wanna be with. I wish I could be there for you. No one compares to you, and you always wish for my success. These are the same message which I was getting for Aquarius general reading. Okay, the same message I was getting, the line here, you are the only one I wanna be with, no one compares to you. Okay, so the divine masculine wants to say you that no one compares to you. You are the only one I wanna be with. Okay, and I wish I could be there for you here. You always wish for my success. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's see more message. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Thank you for being you. You light up my world. You light up my world here. Okay. Then there is, you respect my family. You make me a better person. Okay. You make me a better person here. Bottom of the deck I'm having, you make me complete. You are always ready to help me, and no one others compare to you here. The same messages here. So yes, no one other compares to you. These are the messages from this deck. Let me see more messages. What are the more messages for divine feminine from the divine masculine? They wish that they could be there for you. Okay, you respect their family, they love it. Thank you for being you. You give them, you light up the world for them. Let's see more message. I see you in my dreams here. Okay, this wants to come out. I see you in my dreams. Okay, so this wants to come out. I see you in my dreams. So they see you in their dreams here, divine feminines. They see you in their dreams. And I just cut out this deck, and the message is, there is no one else like you who touched my soul. So they know that no one other compares to you. There is no one who has touched their soul. So that's what they know. Okay, see, and again one message comes, I'm ready to have an honest conversation. So they're ready to have an honest conversation. Beautiful readings. They want to say a lot of things today. Okay, it's like literally they want to say a lot of things. There is no one else who has touched the soul. There is no one else who has touched my soul. No one other compares to you. I see you in my dreams. So they see you in their dreams here. I am ready to have an honest conversation. So they're ready to have an honest conversation. Let me see more messages. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine? Please give me the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Wow. Will you let me in if I approach you? So will you let me in if I approach you? They are ready for an honest conversation here, Divine Feminines, and they want to know that will you let them in if they approach you? I know that we are meant to be together. She said same messages here, that they know that you both are meant to be together. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having, you are the song of my heart. You have no idea how much I love you. Okay, so you are the song of my heart and you have no idea how much I love you. Okay, so beautiful message here. They know that you both belong to each other. Let me see more messages. I am making a decision towards our union. So let's see more message here from the Divine Masculine. This is my handmade tarot basically. Yesterday only this was ready. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to use it. Let's see what is the messages from the Divine Masculine. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Okay, so they are ready to have an honest conversation. They see you in their dreams. I am at a crossroad in my life right now. Okay, so they are at the crossroads. They are gaining the strength to approach you. Bottom of the deck, I will contact you soon. I am gaining the strength to approach you. Okay, so they are at the crossroads. Okay, and they are gaining the strength to approach you. This is the same message which I was getting in the general tarot message of Aquarius, that there is someone who is gaining strength to approach you, Divine Feminines. Okay, and they will contact you soon. They are ready. They are saying that I'm ready to have an honest conversation, but they will contact you, but they are gaining the strength to approach you basically. Right now they are at the crossroads here. Let me see more messages from the Divine Masculine. Okay, I love your eyes. I get lost into them. I think I know your eyes before many lifetimes. So they love your eyes, Divine Feminines, and they think that whenever they look into your eyes, they get lost. Okay, they get lost and they know your eyes from many past lives together. That's why they say that I know that we are meant to be together here. Okay, so that's the message here I'm getting. I am healing the past. So they're doing the healing. I'm healing the past. Then there is, I want you to know how much I care you. I want you to be happy. Okay, so they care you a lot and they want you to be happy here, Divine Feminines. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Let me see more message. Okay, so the crown chakra, violet purple color, apply anyone. So either their crown chakra is getting activated, but I'm getting the feeling, or the blocked. But what I am getting is the crown chakra is getting activated in Divine Masculine here. Okay, that's why they're going through this messages. That's why I'm receiving these messages. The crown chakra is getting activated basically. Okay. I am making a decision towards our union. Definitely, I got this message again for you, which I show you before also, that they are making a decision towards the union here. They are at the crossroads. They will contact you soon. They are ready to have an honest conversation. They are making a decision towards the union of you both. Okay, they know that you both are meant to be together here. So that's beautiful message here. I can say that this is beautiful. Any other message? I secretly watch you through social media apps, friends and relatives. Okay, so they're keeping an eye on you. If you think that they don't watch you, divine feminines, you are wrong. They are watching you from afar. Okay, they are watching you through social media apps. Maybe you're connecting friends or the family members or anything through which they can keep an eye on you, but they are secretly watching you from the far. Okay, it's not that they are not watching you, they are watching you. Okay. I am walking away from anything that no longer serves me. So they're letting go anything which don't serve them, which don't serve their highest good basically here. Meet me on the 5D. I'm trying to connect. So they're trying to connect on the 5D. Okay. So they want to connect with you. So communicate with them in 5D. Okay. Try to connect with them in 5D. When it's quiet, my mind fills with you only. Okay, whenever their mind is quiet, they got the thoughts of you basically. They miss you. There is a lot of communication is coming towards you. Beautiful. Lot of communication is coming towards you, divine feminines, as they are ready to have an honest conversation. So that's why the lot of communication is coming towards you here. Can you see? Lot of communication is coming towards you. They are making the decision towards union. They are at the crossroads. They will contact you soon. Beautiful messages. Okay, I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the doubts of the divine masculine. Okay, what are the doubts divine masculine have? Okay, let's see. What are the doubts divine masculine have for this reading? What are the doubts divine masculine have for this reading? Please give me the doubts. Okay, so they want to tell you okay, they have lot of doubts. Okay, I'm still hurt from my past rejections. Okay, so that is the doubt they are having, that they are still hurt from their past rejections here. Okay, so they are still hurt from the past rejections. Whatever they have faced the rejections in the past, they are still hurt from that. Okay, then they want to say that I'm not sure that I'm ready to grow up. Okay, that they are not sure that they are ready to grow up. Then there is, am I capable of true long-term commitment? Okay, so why they're saying that am I capable of true long-term commitment? Because they want to say that I'm afraid that I have a sex addiction and need multiple women to please me. So if divine masculine is having that kind of addiction, then they are feeling like a doubt. They are feeling a doubt about on their own self, that whether they are capable of long-term commitment or not. That's why they are wondering like that. Okay, then there is, I feel like a bad person when I look into your eyes and remember the things I put you through. So they are feeling the guilt that they have treated you wrong, you did not deserve that, and that's why they're feeling very bad about it, that why they have done to you those things they have done to you. But that's not, they have to understand that this was the thing, they have not done anything. Okay, it's the divinely guided journey and things happen according to the divine. Okay, I still don't even know what I want out of my life. So there are two categories in this reading. The second category of the divine masculines don't even know. One category knows what they want in their life and they're ready for an honest conversation, and the second category, they don't know about that what they want out of their own life. I have said bad things about you to others and now I don't know how to make it right. So that's the doubt they are having, that they have told bad things about you, divine feminines, to others, and they don't know what to say. Then there is, would my darkness push you away? So they're feeling the fear that will their darkness push you away? Then there is, would you take my independence away? Would you take my independence away from me? So these are the darkest doubts. Okay, I can say that, darkest doubts of the divine masculine. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages from the universe, okay, for the divine feminines. What does universe wants to say here, divine feminines? Let me see that. What does divine feminines, okay, what does universe wants to say? Embrace your inner and outer beauty. Here, embrace your inner and outer beauty. Let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminine. What are the messages from the universe? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay, remove yourself from the toxic situations or relationships. If you are dealing with any toxic situation or any toxic relationship, you have to remove from them as soon as possible. 0333 was the recording reading time, divine feminines. If you are still carrying on any toxic situation or a relationship, you have to remove them as soon as possible. The second message is, go out and you have to meet new people. Reach out to your soul tribe. Okay, you have to meet new people, you have to go out and meet new people, and you have to reach out to your soul tribe. Then there is, work on obtaining your financial stability, and that's very important. Okay, you have to work on obtaining your financial stability. So these are the messages I'm getting here from the universe. Now let's see what are the more messages, what divine feminine you should do. Okay, these are the messages from the universe. Now I'm going to tell you what should you do. Okay, what should divine feminines do right now? Please help me out. What should divine feminine do right now? Please give me the messages for this reading. You can write affirmations, divine feminines. Okay, write positive affirmations and read it out to you in a day. Okay, write out the affirmations. Okay, then there is, treat yourself, set healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, take care of yourself and set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Then there is restorative yoga. Yoga is very important for you, so you can do yoga here. Okay, do yoga. One more message. What should divine feminine do? What should they do? Please give me one more message. See again, consult your soul tribe. Do something nice for something. That's very particular important message. You have to reach out your soul tribe. Divine feminines, consult your soul tribe, reach out to your soul tribe. That's important message I'm getting here for you. Okay, pay attention to the signs, pay attention to the numbers on the clock. Okay, So the universe is trying to communicate with you. You have to see the numbers on the clock. Maybe there is a pattern in the number synchronicity. Write it down, click a screenshot here. Okay, pay attention to the signs which you are receiving by the divine, by the universe. Then there is take a Reiki class or get Reiki healing. Okay, if you have not healed yet, okay, so do a Reiki healing for yourself. Take a Reiki healing class. And there is pray about it. Do your prayer, okay, as they are your twin flames. They are thinking about you. Have faith, okay. Divine feminines, have faith. They are your twin flames. They are thinking about you. You have to keep your faith. You have to pray about it to the universe. So that's beautiful message. I can say that. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the blockage in your twin flame journey, and apply the blockage as according to your situation. Karmic lover. Some of you are definitely dealing with a karmic lover here. Okay. So let's see. Apply according to your situation. If it is not getting fit, okay, so you can leave it out. But again, karmic lover. So some of you are definitely dealing with either divine masculine. You are dealing with the karmic lover, or the divine feminines are dealing with the karmic lovers. But someone is dealing with the karmic lover here. Okay. So let's see. What is the blockage for this reading? Please give me the blockages. What is the blockages? What is the blockages? What is the blockages? Any other blockage? No, too many. What is the blockage for this reading? Any other? Okay, so the blockage which I'm getting here is that deceitful. Someone is deceitful here. Either divine masculine is deceitful or the divine feminine is deceitful. Then there is compassion is needed. Okay. Then there is chaser. So some of you can be a runner chaser form. Yes, of course you can be a runner chaser form, because I was getting the two categories of the divine masculine who are saying that they don't know where their life is going. Okay. See, I still don't even know what I want from my life. So this is the category where you are still in the form of runner chaser. Okay, if you're still in a runner chaser form, your divine masculine will not be able to come to a conclusion that they don't know, they don't have clarity. Because of this, stop chasing your divine masculine. Then there is stressed. So either divine masculine is stressed or the divine feminine is stressed. Then there is someone who is overthinker. Either divine masculine is overthinker or the divine feminine is overthinker. So these are the blockages which I am having here for you. So let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Tarot deck for you here. Let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages. Divine timing. I was getting the message divine timing. Pay attention to your dreams. Past life power issues. Okay. Let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages. Again, pay attention to the signs. There is a guidance. There is number synchronicities which is available for you. See. Synchronicities, guidance. Pay attention to the signs here. So there is number synchronicities. There are guidance which is available for you, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video here. Wow. Okay, you need to pay attention as your angels are trying to communicate with you. Too many messages. Okay, so they're trying to communicate with you. Pay attention here. Let me see more. Higher love, open to see your divine perfections here. That's the message I'm getting. A message, we are bringing information to benefit you. So there is an important message which the divine is bringing you. Okay, so there is a guidance, there is a message, there are number synchronicities. Pay attention to each and every message whatever you are receiving. Either this can be through music, through song, through angel numbers, through feathers, through animals, through clouds, sky, birds, anything. Okay, that can be anything, but there is a message, there is a guidance through videos, tarot videos. That can be a possibility, but there is a guidance which is there for you. There is a message that will help you out. Okay, okay, so there is an important message for you, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching here. Okay, then there is a transformation. Transformation is always beautiful. So you're going through a transformation, and transformation is always beautiful. That's right. And there is trust in the divine, trust to the divine, surrender to the divine here. Trust in the divine, trust and surrender to the divine. He has the better plan. So you need to keep the trust in the divine plan, as it is a divinely guided journey. Okay, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video, keep the trust, have trust, as everything is according to the divine plan. Okay, so surrender yourself to the divine, as he has the best plan for you. So these are the messages from Twin Flame Tarot deck. Thank you, Twin Flame Tarot deck, for giving the beautiful messages. And Galactic downloads, ascension, light code upgrades. And that's true. Right now the upgradation, the ascension is going on in the Twin Flames. Okay, so do meditation, drink a lot of water, do the exercise, ground yourself, because maybe you will feel the heaviness inside your body, because the upgradation is happening here. The galactic downloads are happening here. Okay, so these are the messages from the Twin Flame Tarot deck. Thank you, Twin Flame Tarot deck, for giving the messages. Let's see what is the message from the Whispers of Love. Let's add one message from Whispers of Love for this reading. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for this reading. Okay. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. So maybe there is a relationship pattern which you are following here. So change the relationship pattern, and it takes strength to recognize the need for change. So whatever the pattern you are following in your relationship, you have to recognize that pattern and change that pattern here, divine feminines. Okay, so that's beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see what is the message from Lovers Oracle, and it's very difficult to shuffle this. Okay, so let's see what is the message for this reading. Please give me the message. Again, the surrender message is here. You need to surrender yourself, and that's that set of group of twin flames who has not surrendered yet, who are still in runner chaser form dynamic. Okay, you have to surrender yourself, so that surrender to the divine, as it is a divinely guided journey. Okay, trust and friendship and wait. See, again, bottom of the deck I'm having surrender. You need to surrender here. Okay, surrender to the divine, trust in the divine, surrender to the divine, as they have the best plan. Okay, so you have to surrender here, trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. So you have to keep the trust. And can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see? So have trust. Then there is nurture. Nurture the bond of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. So that's very important, because in any relationship, friendship is required. So you have to nurture the bonds of friendship. And once you nurture the bonds of friendship with your relationship, your love life will change. Okay. Then the next message for you is power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have a power to say no or walk away from at any time. So that's the message I'm getting here. Then there is wait. Don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its own course. So that's beautiful message here which I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the soul lesson. What is the soul lesson for divine feminines or the divine masculine for this reading? One soul lesson for this reading. Please give me one. Grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it, and that's right. Whatever you are losing it is an opportunity to gain any other thing, okay? To gain it, to appreciate it, okay? You never lose anything, you always gain. Whether you lose something, you always gain better than that. So there is no grief. You should not feel grief about it. That's the soul lesson which you need to learn, grief. Okay. Let's see what is the thing you need to surrender here. Surrender to your soul's path. Surrender to your soul mission here. If you're not working on your soul mission, you have to work on your soul mission as soon as possible, divine feminines. Okay. Let's see. What is the thing which divine masculine or the divine feminine has to surrender for this reading? Please give me what is the thing they need to surrender. What is the thing they need to surrender? What is the thing they need to surrender here? What is the thing they need to surrender? Okay. Surrender your belief in scarcity. The universe is asking you to open up to infinite nature of abundance. In this way, you can remove blocks in your life and succeed beyond your wildest dreams. Okay, that's very important. You need to surrender your belief in scarcity, that you don't deserve that you don't have that. No, you always say that I'm abundant of everything. I'm abundant of 0555 was the recording reading time. You are abundant of love. You are abundant of wealth. You are abundant of happiness. You are abundant of everything. Okay. So you should remove this. Then there is surrender stubbornness. If you are tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate more loving with others and yourself. So surrender your stubbornness if you are doing that. Then there is surrender to rest and sleep. To prevent burnout, slow down, honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body and spirit. So that's very important. Surrender to rest and relax. If you are continuously working, so take some time out and surrender to sleep. Surrender to receiving support and love. Allow the love and support of others and rather than trying to handle everything yourself. This can take the pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. So these are the things which you need to surrender. That's beautiful. Okay, so let me add one message from Wisdom of Oracle. What is the message here for this reading? Give me one message for this reading. Okay, what is the message for this reading? Please help me out for giving the message. Please give me. Folks in the road, and bottom of the deck I'm having clean it up. So declutter your mind, body, house, spirit. Anything which is not serving your highest good, you need to clean it up. Okay, let go anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, and the message which I got is, folks in the road, you are at the crossroads, divine masculine or the divine feminine. Whoever is watching this video, you have to take a decision in your life. Okay, choose a direction, folks in the road. You are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision for your life. So that's the message I'm getting. Now let's see what emotions divine masculines currently feeling. Okay, what are the emotions divine masculine currently feeling? What are the emotions they are feeling? They're feeling regretful. Okay, regretful was the message which I was getting here. Let me see. What are the emotions divine masculines are feeling? Please give me the messages for this reading. What are the emotions divine masculine? Grief, irritated. I told you they're feeling regretful, sorrowful, grief. 5 of Cups energy. They're focusing on the past. They know that they have treated you wrong. You did not deserve that. Heartbroken, grief. They're feeling grief, and because of that they're feeling irritated, annoyed, aggravated and bothered, because they're feeling the grief. They're not happy at all. They're feeling very sad. This was the energy which I was picking up in the beginning when I was doing the Aquarius reading, and yeah, that's the same energy. Okay, so let me see what is the next action divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminines. Okay, what is the divine masculine wants to take the next action? What is the next action divine masculine wants to take? What is the next action? They're keeping an eye on you, definitely. Messenger of air, Page of Swords. They're watching you. They're keeping an eye. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take? Ace of Cups. Beautiful. Ace of Water. Ace of Cups. Again the same energy. Okay. They want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions. Okay. Let me see more. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take? King of Water. Maybe you are dealing with an earth sign or a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, that can be a possibility. Or this person can right now be in this energy of earth and water. Maybe they are feeling a lot here, or they are financially stable, grounded. They know how to manage their finances. Let me see. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminine? What is the divine masculine wants to take the next step? What next step divine masculine wants to take? Bottom of the deck I'm having the Fool and 8 of Fire. Okay, so they want to take a leap of faith with you. They want to talk to you. 9 of Water. That it means 9 of Cups. See, Ace of Water again. Yes, they want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment. They want to give you all emotions basically. They see you as someone who is a star. Okay. A star is all about new hopes, new desires, healing energy. You heal them basically. Okay, right now maybe you are having a lot of options to choose here, divine feminines with the 7 of Cups. But right now you are emotionally unavailable for everyone. The Queen of Air is someone who is Queen of Swords, who uses the intuitions, okay, the beauty with the brains, who is emotionally unavailable. They uses their brains basically. Okay, they're very logical, very practical. That's some word I'm getting, practical. So right now you are emotionally unavailable for anyone right now, and you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders with the 10 of Fire. That is 10 of Wands. There is a message which is going to come towards you. This is the Messenger of Fire. Can you see how beautiful light is here? So maybe receive a message. This is the Page of Wands energy here. Okay, because you are the wish fulfillment for them here. They are coming. 3 of Fire, that is 3 of Wands. So they are coming towards you. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you, divine feminines. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, 8 of Wands, a lot of communication through any social media app or the phone or the WhatsApp, Skype, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social media app, or they will call you or they will WhatsApp you, anything, but communication is coming towards you. They want to communicate. They want to take a leap of faith with the Fool energy. They want to take a leap of faith with you and move in a forward direction. and they want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions. That's beautiful, because they see you as someone who is a star. They see you as someone who is in pre-empress mode. 9 of earth, 9 of pentacles. They see you as happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. You are in a pre-empress mode. They love you. They are your love. Can you see here? Love is here. And they're gaining the strength. Strength card is here. Magician, Page of Earth, Patience, 5 of Wands. Yes, that's right. So yes, that was the message. That was the thing they want to take. They're gaining the strength to approach you. They see you as someone who heals. I don't know why I get that message. Heals. Okay. Let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. And then I'm going to close out this reading. Okay. What are the signs? What are the signs here? What are the signs here? Okay. So they can be an air sign. All air signs are here. Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. So they can be an air sign here. Okay. They can be a water sign here. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So they can be a water sign here. Okay, they can be a fire sign, Sagittarius, and there can be an earth sign, Capricorn. Okay, so these are the signs. Let me see more. What are the signs here? See, earth sign. So they can be an earth sign here, definitely. They can be an earth and water. I told you this. They can be an water and earth combination. King of Pentacles and King of Cups energy was there. So yes, they can be an water and earth element here. Either in their chart or in your own chart. They can be a March baby here. They can be a Taurus, again an earth sign. There can be a fire plus earth. There can be a Virgo. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, all earth signs are here. Then there is Friday and Saturday. Okay. Any other sign? Any other sign? No. Okay. Yes, they can be in Capricorn. Again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So they can be an earth sign. That can be a possibility here. And they can be an Aries here too. That is a fire sign again. So this was your reading, and I hope I help you out in some manner, divine masculines or the divine feminines, whoever is watching my video. That was very beautiful reading. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energies to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.